Hello my loves, welcome to Creating with Paola. In this video I'm going to teach you how to make the messy bun, how to make it just like this. A friend asked me for a t-shirt for her 44th birthday and she wanted a sunflower theme t-shirt, so I'm gonna make it for her. And also I want to teach you how to make this design. It's really easy. You just need to follow everything I say in this video for you to get it done. Okay, so if you want to learn how to make it, then keep watching. All right, my loves, in the description down below you are going to find the links of this design, this bundle, the Messy Bun Bandana Mom Live Clip Art bundle. You're gonna find it and the link that is in the description, and you are going to find this pattern too, the link of this pattern. If you see that is mine says download, and when you click on it, it has a price, it's because I have the subscription of the year of Creative Fabrica. But if you want to take advantage of the month that it's $1, they have a month for $1, then you can click on the link that it's down below so you can take advantage of it and you can download everything you want, because that's all access. Okay, you have the whole access of Creative Fabrica only for $1 for 1 month, and if you keep it, you can continue paying $19.99 instead of $29.99. So I take advantage of it. I love it. I honestly recommend it. So I download this pattern. If you don't like this pattern, you can look for another type of pattern that you want to learn to use. If you want a cheetah pattern, then look for cheetah pattern right here, and then you'll see all the cheetah patterns that Creative Fabrica has. So you have to download this and the pattern. Okay, after you download it, then you upload it to Design Space. Okay, I already did it. So we are here in Design Space, and what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you what I selected for me to make this this messy bun woman or girl, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to select the bun, the here the glasses. I'm going to select these two for now, and also the pattern. I left the pattern here because it was too big. I don't know what happened with my Design Space. If you are not able to upload this type of pattern, this one exactly, then try to go to Canva and make a 12 by 12 sheet and then upload it there and then download it, because this is really big. That's what Design Space says. So I did it on my own Illustrator, so you can do it on Canva. It's the same thing. So I'm going to add all them. I'm going to add them all up to Canva, to the canvas here in Design Space. So I'm going to leave it like this. I'm going to lock the proportions, because now Design Space, every time you upload or you insert or you add something to the canvas, it's gonna have the proportions unlocked. So we want them to be locked. We don't want a crazy design. We don't want to look a little cuckoo. So let's lock it. Okay, and now we are going to reduce the size. For now, I'm not gonna talk about um any size and a specific. Okay, right now we have to make it small. Okay, just let's make it small, or you can leave it like that, whatever you want. I'm gonna zoom in, and this, let's move it over here, and let's move this one over here. Let's start with this, with the bandana. The bandana, I want my bandana to be right here. Okay, you can put it the way you want it, it doesn't matter. What I'm gonna do is that I'm going to select it. I'm going to select everything, and I'm going to weld it. All right, it's good, perfect. With this one, we are going to contour. We are going to contour. Contour, it's at the bottom right corner. So I'm gonna click contour, and I don't want the silhouette. I want what's in the middle, in the center, whatever. Yes. So I'm gonna click the outside, which is this one. Paola, how do you know that's the side, that's the silhouette? Well, it's because it's the biggest part. If you see, it's the biggest part of the bandana. So if I click the X, you're gonna see that the silhouette, it's not there anymore. We're gonna do the same thing with the glasses, the sunglasses. We are going to duplicate this one. Yes, I want them to be duplicated. If you want these ones, you could have get the other glasses, the other sunglasses, but right here you only need to just click the eyes, the eyes. Is that how you call it? And then you will, you're gonna get it. And then this one, I don't need the sunglasses. I only need the eyes. So I'm going to hide all contours and click this, and that's it. Okay, so I only click the eyes. I don't want this, I don't want this, so I click the X. So let's put it right here. You can put it the way you want it, it doesn't matter. There is not a correct or perfect place to put it. So what are we going to do with the pattern? What I'm gonna do is that I'm going to make it big. We need it to be really big. It doesn't matter that this is behind. If you have any specific pattern and you want like something specific on your bandana or your sunglasses, then that's up to you. Like, that's up to you. You can do it. It doesn't matter. But right here, I don't care what comes up after I slice it. So what I'm gonna do here is that I'm going to select, right now I'm selecting the bandana and the pattern. I'm gonna put the bandana on front so you can see what I'm saying, because I know that it's behind the pattern but you don't see it, so I'm going to select it and only the bandana. Okay, the bandana and the pattern. That's the only thing I'm selecting right now. And I'm going to slice it. If I select the bandana and the sunglasses at the same time and the pattern, it's not going to allow me to slice it. I know, and I guess you do, that the sunglasses are behind the pattern. So I'm going to select the sunglasses and I'm going to slice it. Perfect. So right here, I'm going to delete this because I don't need it. Here, I don't need this. Delete. I don't need this, so delete. So we are just gonna add it to the sunglasses right here. Perfect. Oh, yes, yes, right here, right here, right here. Perfect. So you doing this, it will be easier for you when you try to print it out. I'm going to print it. That's what I'm gonna do, because I don't have that pattern with me on a HTB sheet or roll. I don't have that. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm going to print out this. I'm going to print out the bandana and the sunglasses, and this is gonna be on HTB. Okay. If I want, I can print everything if I want. But the thing is that you know that the print capacity of Cricut, it cannot be over the it cannot be like 12 by 12. It cannot be 11 by 11.5 by 11.5. So that's why I'm doing it like two ways. I mean, not two ways. I'm using two materials. Okay. So I hope you understand this tutorial and that you learn. There is another way for you to do it, but if you want to learn that way, then let me know in the comments. But this way it's really easy to do. It doesn't matter. Let me show you how to connect all of them so you can cut the sunglasses and the hair together. So let's put this right here because we're done with this. So for me to cut all of this together in one sheet, then I'm going to weld it, or I can attach. It doesn't matter. I can do one of those. So another tip for you: before you do this, you need to make sure. Let me send the messy bun to the back. Before you do this, you need to make sure what's the size of the design that you need. Like, what's the size? So do not do this one by one. Let me size it one by one. No, this is a big mistake. What you can do is that you can select everything and then size it. Okay, you see, this is awesome. This is perfect because the you see that nothing is showing up here, right? And you see the size of the messy bun design, right? It's like 10.986. It's because the what we weld right here, the hair and the glasses, are going to be cut and not print then cut. Okay, that's why. But you can see here, if I send it to make it, then you can see what's gonna happen. You see here, and I think I can send this to the to this sheet. Yes, I can. Perfect. Right here. You see? You see? It's really easy. So this one can be cut on a 12 by 12 sheet. Okay? I think I gave you a lot of information. All right. So you're gonna see at the end of the video how it came out, and yeah, I hope you like this video, and see you later, alligator. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, to comment down below. I love that you guys comment of my videos. I love it. My first language is Spanish. I have another channel called Creando con Paola, which I have 12 plus K subscribers, and now I'm starting this channel in English. So welcome to this channel. You're gonna learn a lot. You are going to learn a lot. All right, thank you so much. Bye.